Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today I'm going to be giving a quick tutorial on how to import your layouts from MWO into Altium for a PCB. And it's pretty easy and straightforward. But before we jump into the process, it's pretty important to make sure that you not only simulate it on a theoretical substrate, but you also put it into the EM extract simulator. I use Axiom, but you can also use like CSTE, Sonnet Suite, stuff like that. But once you have confirmed, through your testing and what have you, that your design is indeed what you want to use, and you've got it all set and ready to go, you're going to simply select your EM structure in the normal layout view right here, and you're going to go to Layout, Export Layout, and in the project folder, just go down here and select Gerber file, and then name it something like that describes it, and then boom, you should be done. After that, fire up Altium and open up your PCB file. In this case, this is my PCB file right here, and all you're going to do is go File, Import, Gerber file. Go ahead and find that file, import it. Now, one thing to note is that it does import in lines like this. So to fix this, all you have to do is go through and perform filling. Alright, so once you have pretty much everything all filled in, like so, it's usually pretty helpful to select it all, right click, and create a union out of it, like so. And now it's all one big object that you can kind of just do whatever with, such as paste it into a bigger file, or whatever. So yeah, there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!